Learn how to make this recipe and never buy it from the store again. Start by adding 250 grams of sugar to the skillet with 120 milliliters of water. Stir, letting the sugar dissolve. Add a tablespoon of vinegar, stir, and let it cook for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, in a container, add 40 grams of unflavored gelatin along with 100 milliliters of water. Mix well until it reaches this consistency. Then add it to the skillet and stir. This is the ideal point. Now let's transfer it to the bowl. Using a mixer, beat it for 10 minutes. Gradually, it gains texture and emulsifies. Next, prepare a dish greased with butter and shredded coconut. Add the mixture. Spread it evenly over the dish and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we return to the skillet, where we again add 250 grams of sugar with another 100 milliliters of water. 1 tablespoon of vinegar, stir, and let it cook for 5 minutes. Let's prepare another unflavored gelatin, 40 grams, and 10 milliliters of water. Once it reaches the desired consistency, dissolve it in the skillet. The mixture is ready. Let's transfer it to the bowl and beat it now for 5 minutes. Then we'll add pink food coloring and finish beating for another 5 minutes. Our first layer is ready. Now let's add the second one. Another 30 minutes in the fridge and it's ready. Let's unmold, and here's our homemade marshmallow, light, fluffy, and easy to make. Now you no longer need to buy the store-bought version. You can make this at home and add your personal touch. If you like this recipe, leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming tips. Comment below what you thought and which recipe you would like to see here. We're signing off for now and see you next time.